Hey there, and a huge welcome to Corofy Academy. We are excited to guide you through this comprehensive journey in the realm of real estate. Our online platform doesn't just prepare you for exams, it provides you with the essential tools to excel in the real estate industry. So, what's beyond just a real estate license? Well, think of it as your ticket to earning real money, building a dream career, and making clients smile from ear to ear. You've stepped into an adventure that goes beyond textbooks, and we're super excited to be your guide. Here's how we've designed the learning experience. Our course is like a treasure map made up of several exciting chapters. Each one dives into cool stuff you need to know, from how money talks in property deals to the rulebook of buying and selling homes and ensuring everyone gets a fair deal. Now, imagine breaking down those chapters into super manageable, almost snackable pieces of info. That's what we've done. You can soak up knowledge whether you're on a bus with your phone, chilling with a tablet, or at your desk with a computer. Learning fits into your life, not the other way around. But wait, there's more. Our course isn't just words on a screen, it's a doorway to interactive learning. Expect engaging quizzes, practice exams to test your knowledge, and interactive timers to enhance this experience, preparing you efficiently for your examinations and future career. It's like a workout for your brain, making you exam fit and career ready. We've also brought in a particular member to our teaching squad, an AI-powered teacher featured in our videos. These aren't your everyday classroom lectures. They're deep dives into big ideas, made super simple and relatable. The best part, you're in the driver's seat of your learning journey. Feel free to hit pause, rewind, or revisit these nuggets of wisdom as often as you like. So, are you ready to stride confidently on this new career path? We bet you are. Remember, every big journey begins with a single step, and you've already taken that. Now, it's about moving forward, one chapter at a time, with us by your side. We promise this journey with us is going to be engaging, insightful, and loads of fun. Together, let's make this your best decision ever. Welcome aboard, future real estate pro. Let's make you shine.